everyone. We hope you enjoy this winemaking course for beginners, consisting of 5 lessons, which include lectures and practical demonstrations, as well as short videos following the fermentation process. This video series was made for the British Columbia Artisanal Winemaking Association, which is an umbrella organization for winemaking clubs in BC. Look them up at bcawa.ca to find a winemaking club near you. If you live in the Greater Victoria area, you can contact our winemaking club at saanich-sommeliers.ca. We're also on Facebook. We hold monthly meetings with presenters as well as a social hour. We provide mentorship to new winemakers and support one another on our winemaking journey. Come and join us. We're a fun group. By clicking on this box, you will be provided with the entire series of lessons, and the links in the description below will take you to the organizations I just mentioned. Thanks for joining us. Enjoy the series.